Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call For. My name is Vivek Kaur and we are in the YouTube playlist named 1000 Python Project Marathon for AI ML engineers and data scientists. Have you ever wished you had a marketing team working for you 24 by 7 without paying lakhs of rupees of salaries? Yes, today I'm going to show you something incredible. How to build your own AI powered marketing agency using just Python code. We are creating 5 agents that will automatically analyze any product website, research competitors, and create marketing strategies, write Instagram ad copies, and generate Midjourney photo prompts or Google Gemini photo prompts, all in just minutes, not in days. This is not science fiction. This is a CrewAI magic. And by the end of this video, you will have your own army of AI marketers. So let's deep dive in. So here you can see that I have uploaded all the projects files into my GitHub repository. This is the link of the GitHub repository. I have pasted it in my description box. You can find it out. So this is our project and this is our uh, project in VS Code terminal. You can see here there are various files. This is VS Code additional file which is not present in GitHub repository. Here are just few lines of code. If you want to disable your GitHub actions or GitHub code, then you can write down this settings code and just save it. Your GitHub action will freeze, will not work, will disable if you are not able to disable it through extensions. Also, there are this is tools folder. Inside this tools folder, init.py, browser tools.py, search tool.py is there. This is a .env file where your API keys are present. API keys are this Serper API key, browserless API key, and model openhammers. You can use your own API key or create your own API key. This is git ignore so that you can ignore this virtual environment, PyCache, and DS stores. If you are uploading it to your GitHub repository via GitHub Actions, Git Actions, then it is necessary to create a git ignore file. This agent.py file. These are various agents. I will explain you every steps line by line, every code line by line. This is project.toml file. This is a README file. This is requirement.txt file. Uh, Almost 90% of the libraries are present already in your system. Few are necessary, you have to install it. This is task.py file and this is uvlog.py file. If you are using UV instead of pip, like UV pip install requirement.txt, hyphen requirement.txt, then everything will install. And if you use UV sync, then these UV log versions will be installed. If you run a pip install hyphen requirement.txt, then some file will install, some file will not install because of a new updated file versions. So there is a conflict like this is not matching with this Python version and 3.11 is not matching and 3.12 is required, 3.9 is required, line chain errors. So this kind of dependency errors will not occur if you have this uv.log file. Okay, now I will go line by line. This init.py. Why we create this init.py even it is empty? Because init.py here it will show that this is a Python. This is a file required for Python project. Because in this tools.py file, tools folder, you have init.py, you have a browser tools.py and search tools.py. So this will be treated as a Python project files. If this init.py is not there, then these files will not run. And whenever you have files like from task import the or you have if you have agent.py, you have tools dot browser tools, import browser tools. From tools dot search tool, import search tools. So this tools is nothing but this folder tools, and inside this tools folder, this file is there, search tools or browser tools, this file is there. And inside this browser tools, I will just explain. There are import browser tools. Inside this browser tools, there are browser tools. So you can see the browser tools are there. Yes, this class browser tools is there. So this will import it. If this init.py file is not there, then this will show error. This line will be useless. It will show error like this is not present and invalid module not found error. This kind of error. Here you will see that what is the importance of using CrewAI library, this Python library. Why we are using this library? Uh, there are 4.5 lakh libraries, Python libraries present. What is the importance of this CrewAI library? Because Crew means group, team. It is a team of AI agents. So in this project, we are automating a task of 5 employees, 5 AI agent employees, you can say. For example, one is doing the task of searching all internet websites, competitors' websites, their product websites. One agent is making specialized prompts for making the images which we are going to upload on Instagram for marketing purpose. One agent is doing some director kind of work, like if these images are there, if these prompts are there, then what are the best prompt among them. Like this, if you are paying 1 lakh rupees for one employee, and you have 5 such employees and they are working like this, then you are paying 5 lakh rupees per month. And if you want to reduce this cost, as well as these 5 employees are taking, for example, 1 week to complete this marketing task, then that five employees 1 week, 5 lakh rupees plus 1 week is the time. If you want to reduce, if you want to reduce it to minutes, and also the cost from 5 lakh rupees to just 5 rupees. If you want to do this, then this project is useful for you. We are integrating all the 5 employees task, means we are integrating 5 agents plus their task, and we are making that pipeline, and we are getting the task ready for you. So I will explain you step by step how we are going to do this. So this is our flow chart. Means I have made this for a better understanding. This search, this file search tools.py, inside this tools folder. This is a flowchart of this search tools.py file. Here it gives AI agents the ability to search Google for any information, like giving an employee access to Google search. Now we will see this search tools.py file code explanation line by line. Now these are a few libraries: JSON, operating system, request, CrewAI tools, typing, import type, identity, base model, and so on. So the first one is JSON. It converts a Python dictionary to JSON string for APIs. After that, OS is used to extract the API keys from which are present inside the .env files. .env file is present inside our local system. That's why to get access to this local systems file, we have to import this operating system library. We have so many API keys, like Serper API key, browserless API key, and model. These things are present over here. That's why OS is required. Request, it makes the HTTP request to Serper AI API. Then comes base tool. It is a CrewAI's base class for creating tools. This is present inside this CrewAI library. Then comes from typing import type. It type hints for class references. Then comes base model and field. These are pydantic for input validation. Now, why a base tool is required here? You may ask, like CrewAI. From CrewAI's tools, we are importing base tool. The old way, like LangChain is deprecated, and in a new CrewAI from LangChain.tools, import tools are there, but these are giving errors. So to avoid this, we use the decorator at the rate tool. Uh, and in the latest CrewAI, this base tool is useful for handling the classes. Why the changes? Because CrewAI 0.152.0.0 plus uses its own tool system for better control and validation. Now comes this class search input base model. Query is description the search query. Here, this class is creates a pedantic model for input validation, and the input schema. This doc string it is just described what is the schema of this class. Then comes the query part. It defines the query as a required string. Now comes the field part. That field part means the this field part means it creates uh, uh, the required field parameters, and description means it tells AI agent why this parameter is for. Right? Why we are using Pydantic here? You can see we have used Pydantic library because it ensures agents always to provide correct inputs. Then comes this another class, and it has one function as well. Class name is search internet tool. Base tool is a parameter, and here is a function run. So this class has a method like inherit from CrewAI's base tool, the tool name shown to the agent, and it is critical. Agents read this to decide when to use the tool. It links this arguments here. You can see this links to our input validation schema. Then comes the function part, this run function part. It executes when a tool is called. Then comes this return part. It returns the search tool and calls shared search functions. So this is the search tool search tools another function you can see here. It is a shared function. This search tool is a shared function. You can see the class over here. These are present here as well. Okay. And why this description matters? Because agents, it is a agent's internal thinking. I need to find information about Nike's competitors, for example, or let me check my tools or search internet. Useful to search the internet about the given topic. This is right tool. Let me use. Let me use it. Useful to search the internet about given topic and return the relevant task. So this description is how AI decides which tool to use. Now comes another class which has also search Instagram tool and run query. Here the query line you can see over here. This query line this adds Google's site specific operator. And how this query run? User query like if we add something like AI technology or fitness motivation or anything like that, then it becomes a modified query site Instagram dot com and slash fitness motivation or AI technology, whatever words you type over here. And Google only returns the results from Instagram.com only, not anything else, because you are providing this site Instagram.com over here. After that, real examples like input you are providing a running shoe, then it becomes site Instagram.com, and here in the query your running shoes will be there. and you will see only Instagram post only. Now comes another class. This is a bigger class. You can see over here, class search tool. Here up to this point, search internet. So search internet tools. This is present over here. You can see another class, and search Instagram tool. Search Instagram tool is also there, and search internet tool is also there. Two different classes are there present, and these functions are called inside this class. Uh, this class is a container class to hold all search tools. Which search tool? Internet search tool and Instagram search tool. You can see internet search tool and Instagram search tool. And search internet is equals to search internet Instagram called. And this creates instance for Instagram internet search tool and another for Instagram search tool. And why this pattern? In agents.py we use tools. Uh, you can see over here we have used tools is equals to. I will just show you. Here in agents.py, we have used these tools, search tools dot search internet, search Instagram, like that. That's why this is important. Instead of that, tools is equals to search internet tool and search Instagram tool, creating new instance each time. Because this is already initiated now. This search tools are already initiated. So instead of that, we can use this also search tool, search Instagram tool, and search internet tool. This search internet is present over here. So every time it will get replaced by this search internet tool, and this is present over here. So like this, this is the chain. You can see this single instance, cleaner code, and easier imports are there. After that, from line number 40, this decorator and search function to uh, uh, try and exit block coding. So what this line of code exactly means? You can see this static method. This is a decorator. What it does, this method doesn't need self. It can be called without instance. Then comes define search function. Here, this method it takes query, returns top five results by default. Then comes API endpoint. You can see over here. This Serper API Serper API endpoint is there. API key is there. It converts the payload. It converts the query to JSON format. You can see over here, and headers. You can see authentication, get API key, X API key, and .env server API key. Here from this .env file, you can get this API key. Okay. Then comes this response. This ends the search request, and after that it comes. Then comes the if block part. If a response dot status code is 200, then it means it is okay. It handles the API errors, and this is okay. If it is not 200, then there is an error. Which error? This response dot status code will be the error. After that, results is equal to response dot JSON get organic. This get the organic results only, not advertisement errors. After that, result strings is empty list. Here, this empty list will be converted to this empty list will be filled by this list. You can see over here from this for blue. This processes the top five results. You can see this for loop. This processes top five results, and you will get a title, URL, and description over here. Because of this title, URL, and the description in snippet over here. And this try and accept block is here. This gives the result missing fields. and here is the entire code. You will get this inside this result strings list. Okay, so this is the code explanation of search tools.py. Then comes our browser tools. Before explaining this browser tools.py, I want to show you this thing. Here, this server dot dev dashboard, you can create your own API key. Here is my API key. And after that, browserless.io. Here you can also create your own API key. And this is free to use. So you should create your API key. If you have Midjourney paid account, then you can create your images by Midjourney. If you don't have that, then you can use another. I have a Gemini paid version, so I am using a Gemini to create the Instagram post images. And I will explain you the profit after completing this whole project, how much you can earn. So stay tuned. I will explain you the profit margin after the code explanation. So the short summary of this browser tools.py is user will write down the URL link, and this is a pydantic validation. After that, once we write down a URL link and hit enter, then it will call the browserless API cloud server. It get all the HTML content. It parse the HTML with unstructured data. Then it splits all the content. Means if it is like 24,000 character chunks, then it will cut down it to 8,000, 8,000, 8,000 four chunks. For each chunk, it creates a temporary agent and task. It summarizes the whole thing with LLM, and it combines all the summaries and then return the final content. Then it goes to our container class. So this is the summary you can see. Now I will explain you the browser tools.py, this code explanation line by line. Here also we have imported some libraries. I will just go to view and wrap. Yes, so that we don't have to scroll horizontally. As we have seen, this JSON OS request, request is used to make the HTTP request to browserless. Then comes from this CrewAI library, we are importing agents, task, and LLM to create a sub-agent for summarization. Then comes a base tool. This is a CrewAI's base class for tools. Then comes type. This is type hints. Then we are importing a base model fields. These are pydantic input validation. After that, partition.html, this parse HTML into readable text. So why this partition.html needed? Because it partition and it gives the clean output like welcome to this product and find your perfect shoe like that, instead of giving HTML CSS coding format a response. Now comes this class website input base class. So this website input, this validates the input if the input is a proper URL string or not. Then comes this field part and description part. This means it is required. It is not optional. And description means tells agent what exactly what format to use. Why the example in a description, the full URL of the website scrape example this google.com. This help AI to understand it needs a full URL, not just google.com. HTTP, HTTPS is also required. Now comes this another class, scrape and summarize website tools. So the name suggests purpose of this class is to identify the tool identifier shown to agent. Description means agent uses this to decide when to use this tool. And after that, our schema, this argument schema, this link input validation. After that, from line number 22 to line number 27, you can see here another function is there, run function. This is the main execution method. Here from this try except block, you can see over here the try and except block is here. From this try, we have this URL. This builds the browserless API URL for API key. Then comes this payload. This creates a JSON body with a website to scrape. After that, header. It says it's HTTP headers. After that, a response part is there. It calls browserless API. So why and what is a browserless API? Because websites uses JavaScript to load content, and a simple HTTP request miss the dynamic content. So here is the solution. Browserless is used. I will show you the browserless here. So this browserless it used for it runs the real Chrome browser in the cloud. That it loads the page completely, execute all the JavaScript, return the final HTML, and Instagram, Twitter, React apps. This won't work with a simple request gate, but work perfectly with the browserless. So, and you will get some free uses over there. Means I will show you users billing. Some part it is free and some part it is paid. I am using the free version right now. Once you exhausted the limit, like it has some limit 2000 times you can hit, you can scrape, and after that you have to pay for it. Now comes the if else part. Here it checks the API call is succeeded or not. If it is not succeeded, then it will throw error. Then comes this element partition HTML. We have already imported it. So this parse HTML into text element, and combine means it combines all the element with double newslines. Content chunks, you can see here the all the chunks are there. It splits into 8,000 character chunks, so that there will be chunks in the multiple of 8,000. And why the chunk is important. If website content is 50,000 characters, then LLMs they don't have that much token limits. They have some kind of limitations. GPT-4 8,000 tokens are there. Claude 1 lakh token is there. Local models 4,000 to 8,000 tokens are there. 50,000 tokens is nearly like 12,500 tokens. Means it is really too big. So the solution is that we can split it into 8,000 tokens. So chunk 1 is 8,000, chunk 2 is 8,000 to 16,000, chunk 3 is 16,000 to 24,000. Each chunk gets summarized separately, and this and then it will combine. So it will be more useful and more powerful. We will get more accurate results from this, and then we can pass these chunks to our LLM models. Currently, this CrewAI native LLM model with provider prefix, model name, and so on. It get the model name from .env file. We are using OpenHammer, OpenHarmonics. We can use it locally without using internet. Means you can switch off your Wi-Fi and you can start using it, or you can use your existing pre-trained online LLM model like ChatGPT, OpenAI, and DeepSeek, Claude, anything like that. LLM here you can see there are a model base URL. It creates a CrewAI LLM instance. This model Olama and model name. This is a very critical. Must have Olama prefix. Olama's default URL link is there, and this is the URL link you can see. And why Olama prefix? Because CrewAI uses a light LLM internally, and a light LLM needs to know which provider to use. OpenArmy's light LLM, which provider I don't know, but Olama's OpenArmy's it is like Olama. It is Olama's provider because of this slash, it can give you the insights like this OpenArmy's is the part of Olama. It is present inside the Olama. So that is the part, and here you can see these summaries. We are creating summaries from this summaries part to this. Uh, this is needed part. I will explain you this summaries part in the flowchart. You can see here three agents are there. First agent will scrap the entire website, and then comes the splitting part. You can see we are splitting this into, for example, if you have 24,000 characters chunk size, then 8,000, 8,000, 8,000 will be the chunks goes to these three agents. They will summarize it, and after that there will be a combined summary. This combined summary will be provided to the main agent to receive the summarized content. So this is about this browser tools.py summary part. So that a large website have too much content, it's split into manageable chunks, each chunk summarized by dedicated mini agent, and all summarized combined into final results. Then comes the final content. You can see over here. This combine all the chunks summaries with uh, double news lines. This returns a permitted final output and catches if any error occurred. Returns if any kind of error occurred. You can see message instead of crashing. And now comes this class browser tools. This is container class to organize browser tools. It creates a single instance of the tool. It is used inside agents.py. You can see agents.py, browser tools.py. You can see browser tools import browser tools, and this browser tools is present over here. Browser tools. This class is imported over here. Scrap and summarize website tool is present over here. You can see. So these are the linkages. These are present inside the linkages. You can see the entire summary of this tools folder. The main agent comes this searches website, for example, Nike.com, and this is browser tool. This is the search tool. This goes to browserless API. Then it scrap all the website content. Partition means it convert that unstructured part to structured part. Then chunks are there. Chunk limit is 8,000. Then it goes to mini agent, small agent, and it summarize each chunk and use combined summary. This search tool is searches from Google and use the search results. And all this combined will go to the main agent. It uses all the information for analysis. So this is our flowchart. You can understand it better why these tools are used. After that, we are going to see the agents.py, main.py, task.py. These are very important files. We will see the main.py file. Here from .env, we are importing load.env, and it imports a function to that reads the .env files, getting the key to the password safe. Then load.env, read the .env file. Why this is important? Because API keys, serper.api and browserless API key are stored in .env file. This line makes them accessible through the code via os.environment.keyname. You can see. Then this we are importing Dedant and agent crew. So it removes this Dedant. You can see over here. This Dedant, you can read the description why it is used. This removes extra indentation from multi-line strings and make the code cleaner. After that, agent part, why it is used, this class to create the AI workers. After that, CrewAI, this class to organize the agents into teams. Now we are importing this from task.py and from agents.py. We are importing marketing analysis task, marketing analysis agents. You will see over here marketing analysis task and marketing analysis agents. And we are importing this inside our main.py file. Task is equals to marketing agency task and agent is equals to marketing analysis agents. So we are creating a task factory. So we can call these particular functions and what happens behind the scene when agents is created, the init method runs and creates a LLM connection. Okay. After that, here comes the product website. What is the product website you want a marketing strategy for, and any extra details about the product and or the Instagram post you want. So this asks user for website URL, store in variable, and ask extra content which is stored in the variable. Now comes a very important part. This creating agent, creating task, and creating crew responsible and responsible for the copy. So here you can see this create agent and create task is there. Product competitor agent, strategy planner agent, and creative agent. This is from agents.py file, product competitor agent, product competitive agent, competitor agent. You can see this agent. We will see this line by line. So this product marketing agent and this product competitor agent, this is a lead market analyst and its job is research product and competitors. After that, a strategy planner agent. This is a chief marketing strategist. It creates campaign strategies. Then comes a creative agent, creative content creator. It writes Instagram copies, Instagram advertisement copy. And what happens? Each function calls call returns an agent object with role, goal, and backstory tools and LLM configured. Now this part creates the task. For example, website analysis, market analysis. Website analysis is the market analyst. Input is the website URL and it gives output as product analysis report. Then comes market analysis part. Market analysis is a market analyst based on the user provided URL. It gives a competitor comparison. Then comes campaign development. This is a strategist. It based on the previous output means this market analysis output. It makes the it campaigns the strategy. Then write copy. This is the content creator. This agent is a this task is a content creator task and uh, uh, it is based on previous output like whatever the strategy you will get, it will give you three Instagram advertisement copies. Okay. Notice write copy doesn't take website details. It uses context from the previous task only. So that is the part. Now creating crew means this copy crew means we are creating a crew. Here agents, list of three agents, workers in these teams. Three agents means three workers in the team. Then task, list of four tasks, work to be done in order. Then verbose is equal to two. This prints the detail logs. So the first task is task one is a website analysis. Output feeds into the task two, market analysis. Then its output feeds into the third task, which is campaign development, and its output feeds into the fourth task, that is write copy, write the Instagram copies. Now comes this. create a crew responsible for image part. You can see over here add copy is equals to copy crew dot kickoff. What happens? All agents start working. Task executes sequentially. Each task output is passed to the next, and final output is three advertisement copies you will get, and it will stored in the variable named as add copy. Here you can see this is where the magic happens. This single line triggers all the AI work. After that, it here comes. You can see here senior photographer and chief creative director. These are agents you can see, and it is a senior photographer. It creates photo descriptions, and chief creative director. It reviews and approves the photos. After that, here comes it creates a task for image, take photo and approve photo. Add copy is passed to take photograph task. This connects crew 1 output to crew 2. Then comes this image crew. You can see photographer first of all creates three photo descriptions. Then creative director reviews and approve it. And after that, final task is Midjourney prompts stored in image, or if you have Midjourney or if you have Google Gemini, any kind of tool you have, you can use that prompt and paste it here. You will get the results. Then comes this part, print results. Here is the result, and your post is here, and this is the result. Add copy. You can see over here crew, copy crew, and so on. Now comes the agents.py file. This is the main file, but almost a repetitive task or a repetitive explanation is there. We have learned about what is OS. Now comes didn't. Didn't we also it cleans the multi-line string. Then agent. We are importing agent LLM. This create language model connection and AI worker instance. Browser tools and search tools are web scraping capability they have, and search tool it has a capability to Google search powerfully. Now comes this class from code line 8 to 16 marketing analysis agents. So this defines container class for all agents. And this is a constructor when a class is instantiated. Then comes this model name. We have a local LLM model. You can see over here. This Olama I have already installed. You can also download it. And inside this Olama, you can download this Open Hermes. Um this model Olama model this is critical. You can see this Olama should be there, and slash model name. If it is not there, then it will not trace what is OpenRBs or what it is. And after that, Olama server runs here. This is the default URL. CrewAI uses light LLM internally, which requires provider prefix to know which service to call. After that, from line number 18 to 35, this product competitor agent. The role of this agent is a lead marketing analyst, and its purpose is to reduce job title. It tells AI had what had to wear, what we have to find out. Goal is a multi-line string. You can see what this agent is trying to achieve. Backstory means it is a multi-line string. It is a personality and context improve output quality. Then comes tools list of two tools, capability plus capability of scraping plus internet search. Allow delegation is false over here. It cannot pass work to another agents. LLM equal to self LLM, self.llm. This uses Olama model we configured. Verbose is also true. It prints detailed execution logs. The same we will see over here, strategy planner agent and creative content agent. We will see the role of this strategy planner agent is it is a cheap marketing strategist, and its goal is to synthesize amazing insight from product analysis to formulate incredible marketing strategies. And the backstory is you are a chief marketing strategist at leading digital marketing agency known for crafting bespoke strategies that drive success. And tools used are these tools it has used. Same, we have created another agent that is a creative content creator. It develop compelling and innovative content for social media campaign with a focus on creating high impact Instagram advertisement copies. And its backstories are as a creative content creator at a uh, top tier digital marketing agency. You excel in crafting narratives that resonate with audiences on social media. Your expertise lies in turning marketing strategies into engaging stories. Visualize the content that captures attention and inspire actions. Same comes with a senior photographer agent. Role is a senior photographer who is take most amazing photograph from Instagram ads that captures emotion and convey compelling message. Backstory is it is you are a senior photographer at leading digital marketing agency. You are expert at taking amazing photos that inspire and engage. That will inspire and engage. You are now working on a new campaign for super important customer, and you need to take the most amazing photograph. Tools, it is using these tools, scrape and summarize website, search internet, search Instagram. Chief creative director agent. This is another agent or last agent. Its role is chief creative director. Its goal is to oversee the work done by your team and make sure it is the best possible and align with your product goals. Review, approve, ask clarifying questions, or delegate follow-up work if necessary to make decisions. Its backstory is you are the chief content creator of leading digital marketing specialized in product branding. You are working on a new customer, trying to make sure your team is crafting the best possible content for the customer. And here, LLM, we are using Olama's Open Hermes and Verbose 222. It is used for logging, use logs so that it will be useful for debugging purpose. So this is agents.py file. Now we will see the task.py file over here. So this is the task.py file. Here are as similar to agents.py, we are defining some task from CrewAI. We are importing task. Here you can see, and yeah, this task this is to create task assignment, and data is used to multiline strings, clean multiline strings. Now this is our first. This is our class marketing analysis, and here is a define product analysis. This is our task. Self means it references class instance. Agent means which agent will do this task. Product website is a URL from user input. End user is typing the URL. Product details, it is extra context from user, and description is detailed description uses a string to inject into the variables. Expected output is you can see here a detailed product analysis report, including key selling points, market appeal, unique feature, and positioning suggestions. So you can see here the description, analyze the given product website. This is product website, which is users end user will provide that. Extra details provided by the customer. This is also provided by the end user. And focus on identifying unique features, benefits, and overall narratives present. Then your final report should clearly articulate the product's key selling points, its marketing appeal and suggestions for enhancement and positioning. Emphasize aspects that make the product stand out. Keep in mind attention to detail is crucial and a comprehensive analysis. It's currently 2026. Then this is our agent and expected output will be this. Like this, you have a competitor analysis task. Explore the competitors, the product websites, extra details, identify top three customers and analyze their strategies, marketing, positioning, and customer perception. Your final report must include both all context about a product website and a detailed comparison to whatever competitors they have. This is our agent and expected output will be this a competitive, comprehensive competitor analysis report identifying top three competitor with their strategies, market positioning, and detailed comparison. I will just make this word wrap. Yes. Now, campaign development is another task. You are creating a targeted marketing campaign. These parameters present over here. Extra details. To start this campaign, we will need a strategy and creative content ideas. It should be meticulously designed to captivate and engage the product target audience. Based on your ideas, your coworkers will create the content for the campaign. Your final answer must be ideas that will resonate with the audience and also include all context you have about the product and the customer. Agent will be this and expected output will be this. Then Instagram ad copy. This is another task. Here we have to craft an engaging Instagram post copy. The copy should be punchy, captivative, and concise and aligned with the product marketing strategy. Focus on creating message that resonates with the target audience and highlight the product unique selling points. Your ad copy must be attention grabbing and should encourage viewers to take actions, whether it's visiting website, making a purchase, or learning more about the product. Your final answer must be three options for a copy for Instagram that not only informs but also excites and persuades the audience. Agent will be this, and expected output will be these three compiling Instagram ad copy options that are punchy, captivating, and include clear calls to action. Then comes this take photograph task. You are working on a new campaign for a super important customer, and you must take the most amazing photo ever for an Instagram post regarding the product. You have the following copy. The copy is present over here, and this comes from another task. Then the product you are working for this product website, whatever user is providing. After that, extra details, whatever user is providing. And then comes this part. Imagine that the photo you wanna describe it in a paragraph. Here are some examples. High-tech airplane in a beautiful sky, beautiful sunset, super crispy, beautiful 4K, wide shot, or Last Supper, Jesus and his disciples, breaking bread, close shot, soft lightning 4K crisp, and beard old man in the snow using very warm clothing with mountains full of snow behind him. Soft lightning 4K crisp close up to the camera. Think creatively and focus on how image can capture the audience attentions. Don't show the actual product on the photo. Your final answer must be three options of photograph, each with one photograph describing the photograph exactly like the examples provided above. Agent will be agent and expected output will be three creative photograph description in Midjourney or Google Gemini prompt style, each as detailed photograph with lightning, composition, and mood details. Then review a photo is a task. Here, review the photos you got from the senior photographer. Make sure that it's the best possible. and aligned with product goals, review, approve, ask clarifying questions, and delegate follow-up work if necessary to make decisions. When delegating work, send the full draft as part of the information. This is the product you are working with, the product website, whatever user is providing, and extra details, whatever it is providing. Here are some examples on how the final photographs should look like. I take airplane in beautiful sky, in the beautiful sunset, super crisp, beautiful 4K, professional wide shot. The last super with Jesus and his disciples breaking bread, close shot, soft lighting, 4K, and crisp. A beard old man in the snows using very warm cloth with mountains full of snow behind him. Soft lighting, 4K crisp, close up to the camera. Your final answer must be three reviewed options of photographs, each with one photograph or description following the examples provided above. Agent and expected output will be three final approved photograph description in the Google Gemini prompt style, renewed and refined for maximum impact. And this is the code line by line explanation of task.py. We have covered task.py, uh, agent.py, search tools.py, browser.py, main.py. Yes, main.py. So almost everything we have covered. This is the requirement.txt. I have uploaded it in my GitHub repository. This is UV log. All the dependencies present over here. And git ignore, you have to ignore this uh, virtual environment if you want to upload it on GitHub repository. So this is it. Now I will show you what is the profit if you want to sell this product to your customers. You can see the main part of this video means monetization part. This is a monthly subscription platform. You can sell this platform. But before this revenue, I want to show you something. How to run this file. For example, this file. You just have to create your virtual environment. This is name of my virtual environment. Means for example, Python hyphen VNV and your virtual environment name, whatever the name of your virtual environment. And at the end, you should give env because it will stand out your folder. It means you can identify whether it is virtual environment or not. For nomenclature purpose only, just make it and hit enter. This named virtual environment will be created. And after that, just pip install UV and then run a UV pip install happen requirement.txt or just pip install hyphen requirement.txt. Then all the files present in the requirement.txt will be installed, or you can write down UV sync and hit enter. This will install all the required libraries, and then you have to run the Python pipe python main.py. Hit enter, then you will be asked about what is the product website. Then you just write down the product website, anything you want. Then what topic you want. Then you have to write down. If it asks you for a website, then write down this website https mer.vim and hit enter. If you ask you about what topic, then you can write down AI technology, for example, hit enter. And then all things get automated. All the agents will start work. They will do their work and give you the details. For example, this code I have already run. And here are the agents working. Agent tool execution agent, this agent creative content creator, this is working, this is thinking and using search internet as a tool. Then another tool output is this it providing a title, link, and snippet means description. These are different competitors and At the end, we are getting competitors comparison. Lead market analyst is another agent. So these agents, they are working side by side, serially or parallelly, and at the end we are getting output. You will see these things. Final, for example, this crew completion final output. Unleash your AI potential with present AI. Create a powerful agents in TypeScript, Python, streamline workflow, and harness the power for knowledge management. CrewAI execution is completed. Now agent are started. So this is the task agents have to complete. The task is completed. You can see within minutes this task is completed. This is agent tool execution senior photographer and so on. And this is the tool output. The content provided consists of two parts: Praiser AI and another is present inside the description. Now this whole thing will be completed within 1 minute, 60 seconds only. These all agents are working, and finally we are getting a result. I will show you the result. Yes, yes, here you can see crew completion, crew execution is completed. So final output. So this is the reviewed option, and here if you just copy this prompt and paste it onto your Google Gemini, you can see here Google Gemini where here I have pasted this over here. Then this image is generated. You can see how beautiful this image is generated. What is the prompt? Captured in a breathtaking view of an airplane soaring against the sunset. This image highlights the beauty and power of advanced technology. The sky is set ablaze with vibrant oranges, reds, casting a warm glow on the sleek aircraft as it cuts through the crisp blue sky. The 4K resolution provides stunning details, making you feel like you can almost touch the plane's gleaming wings. So this amazing image is generated. So this is how you can uh, complete your marketing agency task. This is option two. Also, you can just copy it and paste it into your Google Gemini or Midjourney, whatever you have paid to. And this is how you can complete your task. Now we will see how much you can earn from this. You can charge it by monthly subscription. If 10 campaigns are there, 3,000 rupees per month. Basic Pro agency version is there, 20,000 rupees per month is also you can provide by providing them unlimited. And revenue projection first 3 months you want to build it and so that for building you will not get any revenue for first 3 months, so 0 rupees will be there. 4 to 6 months, if you have only 20 customers, then you can generate 60,000 to 1.5 lakh rupees per month. From 7 to 12th month, if you get 100 customers, 3 lakh rupees per month you can get. You can provide a service as a package, Instagram campaign, 15,000 to 50,000 rupees per month you can generate. Monthly subscribers are there, 50,000 rupees per month to 2 lakh rupees per month. Enterprise package is there, monthly potential is there, YouTube revenues are also there. If you are building some thumbnails for YouTube creators, then you can also sell it to them. Online courses you can sell online like 3,000 rupees to 9,000, 10,000 rupees as a course subscription. If you have only 100 students per month, then you can get 3 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. Lifetime passive income is there. Consultation you can also provide. YouTube advertisement revenue generation is also there. Online courses, consulting, licensing is also there. And Fiverr or Upwork gigs. If you are providing gigs to Fiverr or Upwork freelancers, then you can charge them 4,000 to 6,000 rupees. Monthly subscription is also there, and time investment is only 2 to 4 hours per project. Is customization. You can also provide customization to your clients. For particular client you are working, then you can charge them according to that. And only 2 to 4 hours per project is required, and you will get a passive income source from this. And that's it. You just learned how to build your own AI marketing agency with 5 intelligent agents working together. Think about it. What used to take a team of 5 people and 3 days now happens automatically in just minutes. This is the power of agentic AI. Now, here your homework. Go build this project, customize it for your niche, and start offering them these services. The first mover advantage is real. If you found value in this video, in this project, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI automation tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what AI project you want me to build next. Until the next time, keep coding and keep automating. Thank you.